What up? Good morning, everyone. I caught Seltzer a little earlier. Caught it around I entered at 6 o'clock, 6 a.m. and it hit TP like a couple minutes ago. So quick 25 pips, something like that. 20, yeah, 30 pip move around there. Closed partial, so altogether it was probably like 20, 25 pips. Good start to the Monday. What up, everyone? What up? What up? Just erase this off my chart. So GJ, what do you got here? You got news? I don't think we got news today. I doubt it. Yeah, we got none. So it's clear day, you know. Got like 80 news at 9:30, but that won't affect any of our pairs, gold or GJ. So we got here. We're at a minor support. So like I said, the daily we still have like no like we I guess the daily is bullish, sure. But for us to be like really bullish, we'll need this daily kind of close in the range again. Like so, like because the daily kind of broke the high here, right? So like yeah, it's gonna go up, but it didn't actually close yet. So we have like at the end of the day, so it has to close bullish like this. Tell us that we're gonna go up, right? Because then next has to come up like this to fill the range. Because this is technically a fake out, right? Because you have price came below the range, was bearish, and then now it's coming back in the range. So if it comes back in the range, it's gonna pretty much fill the range. But for that to happen, we need a actual break of, we need an actual closure of this candle because the weekly level is still bearish. The weekly never broke the high here, you know. So just be aware of that. We could maybe come down to fill this wick on a weekly. So, but if you do break the weekly high here, we're gonna probably come up further. So this is what we're waiting for. We're waiting for that weekly break of this candle. So we're going up. But today, I'm looking like it's gonna come down today. Like I caught this move to sell, but that was like the only move so far. So now we just gotta wait. Let's see what happens. We need some type of support form there. Maybe come back up to 132 area, right? So we gotta see. If not, it could break below, come down further down to this level down here. So gotta wait for that move. Ooh. GPY plus 30. That was a beautiful trade for a Monday. Beautiful, beautiful trade. My first trade of the week, first trade of the day. Might be my only trade of the day. Who knows? But that's why I'm up at 6 o'clock every day. 5:30 actually. You don't miss these early moves, right? Because now, like, it's probably gonna range to the New York Open at 8 o'clock. Who knows? Yeah. see, what do you have here? US 30. If you guys are enjoying the stream, leave a like. Let's try to get 20 likes today. Yeah, GJ might come down today. Gold is gonna come down today for sure though. I'm looking like we ran into a minor support here, but if we do break the support, we're probably gonna reach 1686 today for gold. Daily is bearish, broke the lows. 4-hour is at a minor support, so you don't have to worry about this support here. But obviously, once you break this, you should be good. Come down, right? Because support goes like this, right? So after we get this move down, we break the support. We're probably gonna get a clean move down to 1686. So you can wait for this potential sell coming up for gold here. See what happens though. Yo, good morning, what up? Morning. Man, I tried to start the streams at 6:30. Like we started at 7 before, and then it was still like a little late, right? So like I'm still catching moves earlier. So I'm like, okay, let me start at 6:30. I started at 6:30. I'm still catching moves at 6 now. So no matter how early I started, I'm always gonna catch a move beforehand. It sucks because this would have been a good very good signal, whatever you call it. Pretty much, you know, it was pretty simple. Pretty much is price close below this range. We had a range here. Price close below it. The next candle close. The next candle close below it as well. Respecting the high here. So entry was this candle right here. Wick fill right here. Pretty much stop loss right there and target right here. This is a clean 30 pip move. Pretty simple trade. I went like risk free when I got to like this area right here. When I got to this wick fill, I moved stops to break even, close like 50%, and let the rest run down here, target down here. Pretty clean trade. For free send your charts today. It's gonna be an interesting day today. It's gonna be a good day. Damn. This is a textbook move. Textbook move. This is a move that you probably see like thousands of times, right? So when I enter, every time you see it, textbook move. See what we got here. Oh, link. Streams. Here we go. FOREX.com. What happens here on gold? Well, gold is making type of support here, right, at 1686 level around this area. So what you could wait for is maybe like if this candle right here were to come up and break this high, then you can probably say we're going to come up to here, right? I would prefer to wait for a couple more candles here to make a stronger support before we actually decide going back up, because this sell down is kind of big. So but yeah, whenever price does come down, as I said, price makes a support, and then price has to make a resistance later, right? So that's what it's doing right now, probably make support, and then somewhere like maybe here it's gonna make a resistance, and then that's when you're gonna have a range. And then once you have the range, it's pretty simple. You can catch a sell, continue down, right? Or you can catch a buy up, further up, right? Obviously, since the trend is a bearish trend, you'll probably want a sell down like this, down. So look out for that later on for gold. But if you want, you can try cash to move up for the range, but this might be a little risky. We don't have no confirmations of that yet. What do you got here? Perfect. 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 US 30, what do you got here? US 30 is still bullish, you know. We can probably come up to this target today. Like right now it's bearish, it looks bearish, but this daily kind of closed bullish. We shouldn't break the low of this kind of if you want to go up. 4 hour is at some type of support here, so you can say support right there. A 1 hour is at that support, correct? So yeah, it's just that support. Really nothing much you can do right now, except just wait. You probably need to wait for this candle close bullish at support, or like a couple candles later, or maybe like yeah, but it's 1 hour's unclosed bearish probably, so you can't really answer a buy yet. So be aware of that. Overall, daily trend and weekly trend is bullish, right? But that's if it respects this low right here. Other than that, gold and GJ looking like there's gonna be another move. Or just gotta wait. See, if you do break this low here, we can probably come down to, I don't know, maybe this right here. So actually draw my line like this. What's this? 132, 183. 32, 183. Yeah. Perfect. Cool. So we have our targets for a day, you know, to see what happens. Me personally, I would rather have GG buying, but it is a very bearish trend right now, so can't force a buy. You look for more sells than buys. Where's everyone else? I don't know where everyone else is. Everyone else in my live stream call, they're not here. So they're probably sleeping. You know, honestly, see this one trade that I took, it was 30 pips, and it was like a 5% trade, like almost like it was like 4.5%, 4% trade. So technically, I don't have to trade for a day. My day is done at 6 a.m. I can just go to bed right now, right? But obviously, I'm not gonna do that. I'm gonna stay on the stream. But technically, I can just go back. If I wasn't a streamer, I'll be back in bed right now. My day is done after this. I don't need to do anything else. One trade, 30 minutes, 6 a.m. That's it. You gotta know when the volume's gonna come in, you know, and do the same thing every day. Cause you guys probably seen like the amount of times you guys hop on a stream and I already caught a trade before the stream started. If you do the same thing every day, the chances of it being there being a move at 6 or before 7 a.m. is very high every day. That's pre-New York, right? That's pre-New York, London. That's like the perfect time to trade. So. Is it snowing outside? Holy shit. Damn, it's snowing. Damn. See what happens here. Gold. So you see gold is breaking this high right now over here. So what you can see now is probably gonna come up to this area, probably 1701, right? But the 1 hour did not close yet. And the 1 hour, I don't think it broke the highs or anything yet, right? The 1 hour, yeah, the 1 hour hasn't closed yet. So once this 1 hour closes like this, the next 1 hour count is probably gonna come down like this and fill this wick. So I'm not sure if buys would be valid. I don't think it's gonna be valid because the 1 hour's if it closes like this, then it's definitely not a bullish trend, right? Because the 1 hour's gonna take over the other time frame. So I'll probably wait for the 1 hour to close for entering any gold buys or anything. Right, 30 minute looks bullish. It's gonna close bullish, like same thing. 30 minutes gonna close bullish, but the 1 hour is still gonna close bearish. So the 1 hour is gonna take over the 30 minute. Same for GJ. The sell icon earlier, the 30 minute was bullish here. 15 minute was bullish here, 2 bullish candles, but the 1 hour is bearish. So the 1 hour took over and look what happened. It came down to fill that range. Right? So that's why you gotta be very fluid. Yeah, look at all time frames. And just stick to one. The 4 hour broke the lows, 4 hour closed bearish at resistance. You know, resistance. 1 hour closed bearish at resistance. You know, weekly is still bearish. You know, so like, that was my entry. Everything was just bearish, so my entry. Daily never broke the highs here. Well, it didn't actually close yet, so like we don't know how far high it's gonna go, right? Because we don't know how low or how high the daily is gonna go until it actually closes. What we do know is that the daily has to break the weekly has to break this high for us to go up. And if the daily doesn't break that weekly high, we're not going to go up. The weekly high is up here. So if this wick had to break above here. It didn't. So this might be liquidity wick to come back down to fill this wick down here. So I wouldn't be surprised if GG at the end of the week comes down to fill a wick like this. Right, this is just a higher time frame, but same concept. Eventually come down to 132, 240, right? Unless like we break the weekly high during this week, then I can say that we're going to go back up to fill the range. Up here, right? So it's just gotta wait. Let's see what happens. It's gonna be a pretty good week, I think, because it's the second week of the month. Usually the second and third week of the month are the best weeks to trade in that month. Why is there a Zoom password? Hold on. Yo.
Brother.
Where you?
Restart your stream.
Bro, 6:30 every day.
Oh shit. Yo.
Come on, man.
I'm in a gold pie. What? I was in the GJ cell during Asian session.
Oh, nice. Yeah, Asian came down during Asian. I seen that.
Remember?
Yeah. Nice trade. Yeah. What it was like it was technically just a fake out. Like price, we had a range here. Price came back in the range, filled it. So yeah, like it looks like I caught the sell down here earlier at 6:30 for 30 pips, but
Yeah. Cause I entered up.
wait, you're still holding it, or like you just took
No,
like you closed last night?
Took partials on everything. I only had a 0.15 running.
Oh shit.
Only had a 0.15 running down all the way to 132 500, and I just cut it.
Yeah, it's a good TP.
Let's go.
Yeah, I think my day's done.
Yeah, my day's done.
Woke up at 6. Woke up at 5:30. You know, took a trade at 6. Finished it at 6:20, and that's it. Day's done before 7 a.m. Day's done. 5%.
Oh, I'm so blessed. Man. Wait, you started stream at 6:30?
Mm-hmm.
Did people take that cell? They did, right?
The what? Nah, I took this all before the stream started.
Oh,
It
freaking
was
good.
at 6 a.m.
But you're on stream right now.
Yeah.
Yo, also can't your builder. I was like, wait, this guy could have gone that Nvidia.
The what?
What's it called?
My
The
GP.
graphics card.
I don't know. I might get like, I don't know if I need like the graphics cards I have. Like, I don't know. The one I have,
Sounds good.
it's good, but like, I don't know if
Yeah.
I don't know. Cause like, if yours is 8 gigabytes of VRAM, and I have the
Yeah,
same
it is.
VRAM,
Yeah.
like, this is the VRAM, like, it's the same shit, no? It's just like the core clock, but like, you can just boost up your shit.
I don't know what. Like, there's a big difference if the core.
I mean, I can still run like, um, 100 FPS on like, I don't know. I can probably still run that. In Valorant, I don't even think I need that. Valorant.
No, bro, Valorant.
Yo, Valorant. I can run with like.
60, bro.
I probably need that one RAM for Valorant too.
Yeah.
Yeah, you don't need much of that.
Because Valorant is nothing. That's why.
How about COD? Like, you think I can run 100 FPS?
The COD is something you need.
I probably need like. I probably run like 70 FPS on COD. Standard settings.
Cause what's it called? When you run like I used to run Battlefield, bro. That shit was so good, man.
Battlefield takes up more than COD.
Battlefield.
It takes up more than COD.
Yeah, no. Have you seen the graphics on Battlefield? It's like
Nah,
so,
I never played. Never played. Yeah, I'm probably gonna cop it. Oh, lit. Breaking the lows here. Let's see, US 30. My boy. Where did I draw support from? Why is it so wide? Where the hell did I draw the support at? Oh no.
I have summer school today. I start class today.
Rip.
Sucks. Sucks, man.
Rip.
Yeah, I have a Zoom meeting at 11:30.
Bruh.
11:30 to 12:30, bro.
Like 5 hours.
Bro, probably gonna put that Zoom meeting on the TV or some shit. Yo, have you seen the weather? I wake up and it's snowing.
I didn't look until you said it. I'm like, oh, it's snowing? What the hell?
Like, bruh. So not blessed, man. See that gold pullback right there? Yeah, I got that pullback.
Yep.
It's just a little scout.
What's your TP?
My TP.
Because I think if the 1 hour closes bearish like this, we're probably gonna come down on the next candle. Like 30 minutes gonna close bullish though, but on a 1 hour it's still gonna be bearish. And when it closes in 5 minutes.
I took mostly everything. I just
yeah, just have a runner because it can still go up.
Yeah.
But it's just
15, that's it.
Just be careful. Well, you're very close partials anyway, so it doesn't matter. But just remember, 1 hour might come down next candle like this.
My TP is the 704.
04? Oh yeah.
45.
Yeah. Let's see. If the 1 hour closes bullish though, you're gonna be good.
Yeah.
Like you're good for sure.
If you go on the 15, that's a strong resistance.
Yeah, it is.
3 candles.
Yep. 4 hour tap that support. Daily tap that support. Oh no, not yet. But
Pretty good start.
Good start. Yep. Some type of resistance here. Let's see. So now you have a range. Now all you gotta do is wait for a breakout. Those that are waiting.
That simple.
Yeah, GG's gonna close bearish here. The 1 hour's gonna close bearish.
You're gonna sell off GJ again?
No, I'm probably done. I'll see if I have an extra move in. Yeah, 30 pips. That's it. That was a fat move. Like 5%. I'm done. Off of that. I see. Might get another entry though. Not now though. This candle is not an entry candle. You know, there's nowhere you can enter. Where your stop's at.
Oh yeah, I don't know. What do you see on oil?
Oil.
Out of curiosity.
That range. I don't know. Let's see. Yeah, I was trying to look at this, bro. Trust me out. Holy shit. Takes up half my screen, bro. Okay, daily is at some type of support here. Come up to maybe here, cause daily is bullish. So maybe here.
Just fill that range.
So maybe if you get like a stronger bullish candle somewhere, a support, like maybe this candle right here. Cause we're at this support, draw us across.
Yeah, right there.
Now if this candle were to close
Close.
bullish here, it'll probably come up to maybe 25.71, this area. So you gotta be worried about this area. And then you break that, then that's when we're gonna get the actual move up to 27. But we have some trouble and some like nasty range here, so looks a little sus here. Yeah, maybe like the max we'll get today is probably 25.70, top of the range today.
Oil
If it breaks it, then it breaks it, but
oil doesn't move that fast on Monday.
yeah.
Every Wednesday there's news for oil. So.
Every Wednesday?
Yeah.
Really? I never looked. I never realized that. Where? There's no news this Wednesday. Talking about.
Yeah, there is. For crude oil inventories, every Wednesday they bring out crude oil.
Oh, this. Okay, I got it. Yeah.
That one just helps oil move.
What to?
Its desired target. Tomorrow we do have CPI for US.
It's kind of big.
Got CPI, and then you got NZD official rate cash. That's a big one.
Bro, that's rate cut. Oh fuck.
Yeah, you know NZD barely moves, so you gotta.
Yeah, when news comes, it moves
Yeah,
like it moves
fast, bro, like,
so much. It moves like
100 pips.
yeah, like 140. I feel like it just consolidates from news to news. Not there. Once a month it moves and then that's it.
Yo, I want to trade that with like a 10 pip stop loss.
Follow Ref Wayne.
Yeah, but Ref Wayne doesn't provide stop losses.
He doesn't? He doesn't, right?
Oh, no, remember? Like once there's blue.
Oh yeah. I remember.
I hate that, man.
That guy's weird. It doesn't tell you when to take profit. It just says we're 20 pips in profit. It doesn't tell you when to take profit.
And then you're here figuring out why you keep losing on it.
And you ask me like, yo, how come I kept losing? Like, oh, you didn't take profit. Well, how am I supposed to know? You gave me the signal.
That's what I'm saying.
That's why I tell everyone too.
Because he'll tell you like a sell stop or a buy stop, whatever, and then he'll just leave it there.
Even if it's like 1 pip in profit, he's like, you guys should have closed at 1 pip. Like, how am I supposed to know that? I don't know. Like this.
That guy is low key a schemer. I don't know.
I've never seen one chart from him. If you can't see a chart from someone, you shouldn't really.
I know he runs his village though.
He definitely runs his whole country, bro.
He runs his village.
Ooh, G just come down here.
Yeah.
We're gonna break this low. We're gonna probably come down into this target on this mover. Right? Oh, 1 hour close no bond wick. So whenever the 1 hour close no bond wick, two things can happen. It's a 50-50 chance of it going up or down. It's just because when it closes no bond wick, it just means that it has no range to get filled because prices literally just close at support because there's no wick. It just closes at support straight up like this. So this candle can either go down or can go up. It just lowers your chances of it going to a certain direction you want, right? So for example, if you want to enter a sell here, sure it could come down a sell, but it's just gonna be instead of if there's a wick here, it'll add a lot more
Feel.
Yeah, you probably have a higher chance of it coming down if you have a wick here like this, right? Because then you have more of a range. Yeah, but if you don't, it's gonna be like just a 50-50 straight up. Yep. We're gonna wait. We're not gonna. I'm not gonna enter on this candle. Yeah, it could come down. It's just let's see.
It's all like that. Sure, that works too. I hope it like goes up, traces up.
Yeah.
Please, man.
I don't know.
These.
It has nowhere else to go here. Once it breaks this 4-hour low right here, it's just gonna go straight down. Cause then you have a clear traffic entry, clear traffic move from this area.
They did pass that.
Once it breaks this, it should be good to come down to here.
Solid 2 pips to catch.
Yeah, that's a good amount of pips. For sure. Yep.
Oh, my gold hit take profit of 1700, right?
Oh shit, gold came back down, right? Oh no,
No,
well, 1 hour's gonna close here. Oh, we almost broke the high here. So
Yeah.
if this candle flips bearish here, the chances of us coming down Phil's wick is quite high.
Yeah, exactly.
Cause we didn't break the high here. We came
Yeah.
up close, so let's see what this count does. What are
See,
spreads?
my prior target was 1704, but I changed it to 1700. It wicked in 1700.
Yeah, that's pretty good. Pretty good. Thing. Oh, 6 pip. Damn, that's deep. 6 pip spread. Oh wait, no, I'm tripping. Is it? Not it. Wait, this is 6 pip spread. That's deep.
I know. Go should wick fill to the bottom, to the downside. What's happening with GJ?
Trying to see. Hold on. Trying to load my charts again. Magic key. Cool. Why is not chart window? Still getting used to MT5.
Yeah, I didn't use that. I didn't get used to that.
Six.
So,
Yes. So GJ is might come up here. Might come back up. See. We didn't break this. No. There.
nope, attempt number 2. That's what it's doing.
How many pips is this gold move right here? This is a 50 pip move. God
That's
damn.
good.
Whatever stops. 23 stop.
Was that GJ's second attempt to break below?
GJ.
GJ, yeah. GJ.
GJ. I don't know. I'm not watching it. Well, I don't think anything's gonna happen here on GJ. Where is spread?
That's oh, that gold. My candle's beautiful. Gold will probably sell off during what's that called? New York. You can go for a gold sell. Just put your stop above that wick.
Yeah, it's this high right here.
Yeah.
No, I'm just gonna watch it because if prices will come down. I'm just gonna watch because like this is the same entry kind of as GJ.
Oh, yeah.
You know, wick fill right here
Yeah.
came down because like the 30-minute closed bullish here, the 15-minute
Mhm.
closed bullish, but the 1 hour is still bearish right here. Came down for the
Yeah.
wick. Same for gold. The 15-minute closed bullish. The 15-minute closed bullish 2 candles. The 30-minute closed bullish, and the 1 hour is still bearish. So 1 hour is gonna take over. It's probably gonna come down, like I said, to fill this wick down here. So. You just gotta as long as it respects this high, which it looked like it will, it's gonna come down.
Mhm. So potential target would be
You can have it at the wick fill, you can have it at the support at 96. You know,
1696.
you can have it at 696.40, or you can have it at like 1694 if you want to be aggressive to fill the wick fully, because the 4 hour,
Yeah.
the 4 hour look like it's gonna probably come down to like
Mm-hmm.
1692 or something, right? 16. The daily, it looks like it's gonna come down to 1686. Like the daily looks good for itself. Tap this resistance, see what happens.
GJ. Oh wow, is GJ going down though?
Did you enter the trade already? I didn't enter. I'm pretty much done for the day. I entered the GG cell earlier, 30 pips, and this is my day. Like this trade, if I didn't enter the trade, I'll probably enter it, but like I'm not gonna enter. I'm just gonna watch it. Cause one trade is good for me today. Cause you don't always have to enter 2 trades per day. Like I got one trade,
No,
30
you don't.
pips, and that's pretty, it's pretty solid right there. At 5%. What more could I ask for on a Monday?
Mm-hmm.
Not gonna enter again, cause like the more you enter trades, the more chances you have of
What's good?
losing.
Same.
Yo,
Yeah,
how
me-
you guys wake up so late, bro?
Bro, this guy woke up at 7. That's good.
Nah, man, this guy's supposed to wake up at 6.
Bro, I don't know how you wake up
Yeah.
at 6.
I don't know. I like what I do, you know. I like my job.
How do you wake? You like your job?
I like making money in the morning.
30 pips.
Yeah, bro. 30 pip GJ. Look at that. Look at it. Easy. You're mad right now. You woke up
Is he
late.
getting
Nah.
FOMO?
Too
Nah.
too tired of you, man, bro.
FOMO?
Too tired. I what time you sleep?
Too
Sorry.
tired.
Like 1.
It's not bad. I
Yeah,
slept
I
at
was just-
I slept
bro.
at 3.
Yeah, he's probably sleep. How do you sleep at 3? Wake up at
I don't know. I slept super late. Yes.
Yeah, look at GJ, bro.
I was finding parts of my computer. Yep.
Lucky got that.
Yes, sir. Oh no, not the 30 pip. I was in the South for Asian.
Yeah, he caught it last night. Up here, remember? Jimmy and him
Nah,
caught it.
top.
Look at this clean move, bro. Super clean.
Yes, Don. GJ's breaking the low. Yes. Yes.
Yeah, so as GJ is breaking a low here.
That's
This
what
this
I
is a 50-50 pip. This
Still for
50-50
Remy, bro?
chance can't. No, I'm out. I'm watching gold.
I'm in a 1.0 for this GJ, so I'm closing.
Yeah, because like GJ, like I don't know, like GJ is just this kind of has no bottom wick, so I'm just gonna like. If I didn't enter the first trade, I still wouldn't enter this trade. I would just stay out. But yeah, this is it's a 50-50, and I'd rather not
Closed it.
have that disadvantage.
No. Closed it. Closed it with 50 bones.
50 bones. How many 50 catch off that?
I entered at 132.094.
5 pips, no.
So you entered with 1.0.
Yeah.
Oh, nice. What was your stop?
On my stop, I had a mental stop of $50 loss.
I was like Jimmy. Mental stop. Oh, gold's coming down here, guys. You know. Talked about it, broke it down. So if you're in this trade, talked about it from here.
Catch a solid 40 pips.
Stops should have been up here. You know, target would have been eventually here or here. But
Safer targets to support.
I think you're, yeah, but 10% profit. This is where I would probably close majority of my position, let the rest run, right? For stops that break even, that's what I'll do.
Jackson Gold.
Yes, sir.
Oh, everyone's coming up now. Yeah, I caught GG earlier, 30 pips.
Nice.
Yeah, I'm not in gold. I'm just watching it. Like I broke it down for everyone, but
I'm in it right now still.
of course you are. You entered like 5 trades within the last like 5 seconds. You entered gold, you entered GG, you entered everything that I analyzed. I bet you're in oil too.
Oh, no. Asian. gold scalp for the buy. Now we're gonna sell for gold. And then GJ sell. There you go. We took 5 trades in the last like 5 hours.
Sheesh. 1 trade per hour. Let's go.
Hmm?
Your Kisan, so you're gonna fix your computer?
I'm waiting for the guy to call me back.
Four
He's
four
supposed to do
bills
it.
to fix
Is
it?
he doing the bill for you?
No, he broke it. He messed it up. He broke this. He messed up the
Bruh.
CPU or the motherboard.
How?
The motherboard.
Wait, why? Or how?
Like the motherboard pin, I think it was like the USB 3 connector. Like I messed up the pins. Like they were.
Yeah, they're
bending.
super sensitive.
Bruh. Wait, is he fixing it for free though?
No, it's like 4 bills, bro.
No way. So he broke it. and he
That's a
broke-
whole. That's a whole GPU part, bro.
Oh my goodness, that hurts, man.
Yeah.
You just buy a whole like graphics card with that, bro.
Yo, I'm so sad hearing that. Bro, how do you break someone's stuff and then charge him 4 bills to fix it?
Nah, I broke it trying to put
He
it
broke
together
it. He
myself.
broke it. He broke it.
Low key bummy.
Yeah.
It is what it is. Yeah.
When did you
Yeah.
catch? When did you catch it, PJ?
6 a.m. That hourly candle, right on. 4 pip drawdown. That was it. Also like 15 pips, you know, broke below. It was pretty clean.
Very nice.
Yeah. 5% on it. Oh shit. You started look like rejected this area right here.
Ooh.
Nice. So Daily is still bullish. So what we need is actually for this hourly candle to close bullish at support here. So we're gonna come back up. That's what you're trying to look for here.
So keep that in mind.
Yes. I'm so tired, bro.
This guy woke up 3 hours.
You're mad. Big mad. Good luck,
Hmm.
what was I gonna ask something? Yo, so how did you remember how you said someone sent like that place they sent you computer parts?
Oh yeah, what about it?
So you already had your computer up? Like you could have just replaced your parts, no?
Yeah, I could have, but
You need it.
no. I posted on Kijiji and 30 minutes later, like some guy just offered me like he already had cash on him too, and he's like, "Yo, I want everything."
Damn. How much
was like,
how much you
wow.
sell it for?
Like around like 350 or something like that.
Wait, what? For everything?
Yeah. could've gone-
350.
Yeah.
What? How? That's so low.
Yeah, I know. I said I could have gone more.
Could have gone like 1 rack. Yo, you had
No, not 1 rack. No.
No,
Like,
'cause
I
you're-
checked the parts for after. No, definitely not 1 rack.
no?
No.
Damn, like if I found that, bro, Yeah, how much is a GPU? It was I swear it was like a
was like
solid 400 GPU, bro.
GPU was like 2 bills.
Oh.
No, I checked all the parts before. Like the fan was like 50.
Oh, it wasn't. Oh, okay.
Oh, that's good stuff.
Yeah, you have any problems with your GPU yet?
No, like
How long have you had it for?
for like a solid like 2 years.
Yeah, hot. Wait, you have a cooler or no?
Yeah, I do.
An extra one or just the ones that came with it?
No, just
Oh.
one like.
Yeah, it comes with like 3 fans though. 2 fans. Oh, gold's dropping here.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, 15-minute close is bearish at resistance, you know. So if we break this low, we should come down to fill this range now. See, so if you guys look at my Instagram post that I posted like maybe last week, this is like a kind of example of it. Right, we have a wick flow here in a 1 hour. If you go down to the 30-minute, you're gonna see, I mean the 15-minute, you're gonna see how it's just retesting the low again, right? So chances of it coming down on base of the 1 hour is quite high. Am I in it? No. Would I be in it if I wasn't in a trade earlier? Probably. But not every trade you like. Here's what you gotta realize: like if you see a perfect setup, and let's say you took one trade already, and let's say it's a win or loss, whatever. If you see another setup and it looks very probable, you don't always have to take it. Just think about it.
Yeah.
Just because it looks profitable, like it looks like a setup you take 1,000 times, doesn't mean it's not play out every time. You know, so you're just risking your profits, or you're risking your chance of you catching an L on that trade that you take, right? I'd rather just take this one trade I took earlier and just not risk anything else for a day. That's it. So I'm just taking this and trying to make more when I already made my 5% for a day. Now I'm not gonna lie, I really prefer being in the stream more than Wix don't live streams. Ha. Nah, thanks bro.
So kind.
Appreciate that. I don't know. What's not lie, it's a cool. He has a cool stream. I fuck with it.
So whatever.
This guy just roasted IMO yesterday. I was like, what the heck?
Nah, not IMO. He roasted FTMO.
Yeah, I was like, whoa, what made this guy like what do that?
Nah, he's just a savage. He doesn't care. Doesn't give a fuck.
But he's one of those type of guys that just speaks his mind.
Nah, he just speaks truth, and people don't like it because people are scared of the truth. Like
If
when
people
people,
get angry
when he
at
said
him-
oh FTMO it's-
Schemers.
yeah, it's just something about FTMO, and then no one liked it because everyone just wants to hop on
But it's the
FTMO now.
truth, though. No, but think about it, like bro,
You think FTMO is scam? I had like, the same concept as Raja did. Like whatever he said, I talked about that with on a stream before. Actually, I talked about FTMO before like that. But like I have no comment for it. It's just you wanna do it, you wanna do it. Like I don't care if you do it or not.
E-commerce has changed the way people
Whoa.
shop.
Sir,
Today's
whoa,
Sir?
whoa.
when you're doing FOREX trying to e-commerce.
Guidelines. Guidelines. No e-commerce here.
You think FTMO is scam? It's probably not a scam. It's just I don't know.
The thing about FTMO is like no one has ever seen anyone withdraw, like literally.
Yeah. Like, I don't know. Like I haven't done my research to that point where I can say that. Like maybe he did.
So
That's why he said it.
skepticism.
Because when he said it, I was like, wait, there was no one that made a withdrawal. I
Yeah.
thought people did, and that's why people are doing it. But I don't know. I haven't done much research on it. I don't care for it.
So skeptical of that.
I mean, like here, like Raja said,
You
like
wanna do it?
yeah, but like here, if you can't, if you just here's what you do before you open up like an actual FTMO account.
You have to-
Trade a live account first and see if you
Yeah.
could flip something, or not flip, but see if you can make some profit of it, right? Once you see that, then you can go to the FTMO challenge, because just because you have more capital in the FTMO account doesn't mean you're gonna be
you
able
know how
to.
manage money too.
Yeah, it's the same shit as just having $100 account or having $100,000 account. It's just the same thing. It's just a mind. It's just a psychology thing in your head that you think the more you have, the easier it is to trade. It's not. It's the same shit. I can tell you that. I literally went from $100 accounts to having like $10,000 accounts and stuff. It's just
It
same
just
shit.
all comes from the money management.
Yeah, if you can't make 5% on a $100 account, what makes you think you can make 5% on a $1,000 account? And no, I'm not saying like making 5%, risking like 50% of your capital on a $100 account because you don't care for a $100 account because it's too low. It's not that. It's like use the same risk on both accounts and see if it works out for you. If it doesn't, then like you probably just need more practice. That's it. But
Hey, I freaking knew you cat was gonna buy. I had a freaking.
I've seen people withdraw. Yeah, I don't know. Like I can't really say much on it. I haven't done my research on FTMO. I really don't. I didn't care for it as much. But yeah.
Nah, just use your own capital.
Yeah.
And it's your own capital, so I'm pretty sure you'd be more cautious with your trades.
Cause how does it work? I don't know how it works. I've never done my research on it at all. Like I haven't read about it.
You sign up, but you have to pay money first, right?
Yeah. You pay like 300. I know that, but like you get like what 75% of your money back or 60%?
No, they give you like two demo accounts that you gotta run with it, right?
Yeah, you gotta flip it.
Then once you successfully flip to their desired target, whatever, you would they would give you an actual funding account, and then they would basically split 70 to 30 every month, and like.
Oh, you can only withdraw once a month too, right?
Yeah, but yeah, basically, but like they send you cause I was watching YouTube videos on it, right? They send you the form to fill out. Like you give out like your cat number, your institution number, all that.
Damn. Yeah,
Bro.
I don't know. Like, Roger's like, oh, he only seen pendings, he didn't actually see withdrawals, but I don't know. I don't know much about it. I can't say anything on it. Apologies if you haven't done this already, but I just hopped to your stream. But can you go over to GG position you took? Yeah, sure. I'll go over it again because everyone came in late anyways, right? So, oh shit, GG came back up. See? 50-50 chance of it coming down. 50-50.
Yeah, you said.
Yeah. So GJ pretty much it's pretty simple, you know. I'm pretty sure you can already see it. This candle right here is my entry candle, right? We closed below support here once, closed below support again twice. This is 6 a.m. So this is when I woke up. I didn't see any of this, or else I would have entered up here on these candles. But this is 6 a.m. candle. I woke up at this time. I mean 5:30. I came on at 6 a.m. Came on the charts at 6 a.m. So then pretty much entered down here, up here. Stop loss was pretty much up here. So entry was here, stop loss is up here, and TP was this right here. Pretty much same thing as gold kind of right now because the 15-minute on GJ closed bullish here, right? At 5:30 and 5:45 it closed bullish, and then 30-minute candle closed bullish too before the 6 a.m. candle formed. Oh, the 1 hour time frame was still bearish. So I entered based off the 1 hour, which stops above the 1 hour high, and respected all three highs here. And then same for gold right now. Gold is coming down right now, or it was.
What's with gold, man?
The 15-minute closed bullish here, closed bullish, and then like the 1 hour is still bearish here. So I'm expecting this kind of come down for the wick. What?
Wait till top wick before low
Concept.
wick.
What happened?
Oh, I said might fill the top wick for gold. They keep trying to test for resistance. What's with gold?
Yeah. But yeah, that was my GJ. So right now I'm just gonna chill out for the rest of the day, you know. Talk about some trades. Got like 2 hours left though. Maybe I might get another position, who knows. But gold wasn't I didn't really want to enter gold because spreads is just I don't wanna go through that.
Spreads are good for gold.
Yeah, like 4
Yeah.
pips, 3 pips, but like
Yeah.
5 pips. I don't know.
Well, 5 pips.
Cause like I enter one trade, if I enter another position, it'll probably be I'll probably aim for like 10 pips, and if I have a 5 pip spread, that's half of my position. You know, last week we took 1L during the whole week, or 2 L's. No, I think it was 1 L. I took 1 L.
But that's not
On
fine though.
Tuesday, yeah, I took 7 trades last week, or 8 trades last week, and I had 1 L. Let's see how it goes this week. So far, we're 1 for 1. What are your spreads right now? My spreads are like 4 pips. I think that's the normal for spread for gold right now. The old normal was like 2 pips, 1 pip. Now it's just it can't go back there. I don't know when it's gonna go back there, but
It's too much volume.
not even. I think it's like going back to normal. Like it's still like moving. I don't know. It's moving a decent amount, but like volume was
But like no, like the amount of
before,
pips is like,
like
it's
during the corona, like before that, like in March when that whole month was going crazy, the spreads were normal. It was like 1 and 2 pips, and it was just moving like 100 pips per candle. You guys remember that? 100 pips per candle,
Yeah.
like 200 pips per 2 hour candle. It was just moving crazy, and then spreads were still fine. But then after like April started, it started to get a little high. That's the only reason that stopped me from trading gold as much. Lock, you were in US 30. I mean, not US 30. GJ or you got out? I think it was like a 10 pip move
For
or something.
gold?
GJ.
Yeah, no, long time.
Yeah, it's like a 15 pip move. That was a pretty decent trade. So even if you got if you got caught in this position here, you would have probably secured profits or stopped break even right now, anyways.
Yeah.
So what gold's gonna do until we break this high here.
We'll keep coming
We're
down.
probably gonna come down. But yeah, if it breaks this
Yeah.
high, then that's when you can kind of say we're gonna come up. Close range. So tired, man. Damn.
Mhm.
Because you kind of do have a clear traffic move here.
For what, gold?
Yeah, it's just you have this, or maybe like not even that. Maybe just this. This right here, to the left. Just I think there's some type of support here on the 30-minute. Let me check. I don't know, like the 1 hour looks the cleanest of all time frames.
Wait, when you trade, what time frame do you look at? Just the hourly?
No, all of them. But
What
like
do you-
in
and,
this
like, where
case,
do you take your entries?
in this case, in this gold case, I'm looking at the hourly. With GG earlier, I looked at the hourly too, I think, but it just depends on the situation. It's like putting the part like just eliminating time frames, right? So a 15-minute was bullish here. 30-minute was
Yeah.
bullish, but the 1 hour is bearish. So the 1 hour was probably gonna take over all the other time frames, right? Because the 4 hour is bearish and the daily is still bearish. So I followed the 1 hour instead of the 30-minute or whatever.
Yo, who then entered a trade?
I heard
Me.
that.
Mm-hmm. Your gold sell?
What do you win?
no. Fuck, GJ buy.
Oh yeah, I was looking at that. Yeah, 15-minute close.
Just close with like no top wick, so a little bit scared.
I mean, the 1 hour has no bottom wick, so this could just go up.
Mm-hmm. 1 hour does have bottom one.
Does?
Is it?
No, the previous one.
Oh yeah.
That like so this candle could possibly come up. Because technically, this is a support. I don't know why it's up here. It should be down here. Rejected it. Perfect support. Damn, look at that. Perfect. All the way across.
Mhm.
Good. See though. Got some resistance here though, but we should break that and come up to here. What's your TP? 132? 440? 430?
Like top of the range. 132 with 315.
Yeah. Stops are what, 20 pips?
10 pips. 15-minute low.
Oh wait, 15 minute low, yeah.
So we look at that. If it breaks a 15-minute low, then it's gonna come down like with no bottom wick.
Clean. Look at that support. Perfect.
Let's go.
Nice.
Nice. Good trade.
15-minute broke the high here. 3 pips in profit. Can't ask for much more than that. My drawdown. I'm tired, man.
Now go to sleep.
Alright, you guys take over.
Sam takes over.
Save us.
Yo, Sam, do Asian streams.
Bro, I'm gonna just bump fucking Nav.
Yeah, do Asian streams.
Shit.
Yo,
Yeah,
man,
I'd be down, honestly, bro. I'd be down.
just do it, cause then if you do Asian streams, like, cause we're trading Asian anyways. We're always on for Asian. So
Yeah.
you know, if it's just like, that's pretty lit. Like,
Got an Asian. Got New York.
yeah, I'll put a poll up. I'll be like, should we do Asian?
You got 2 sessions.
Sam's gonna do it, cause Sam's always on for Asian. This guy, no matter what, he's always on for Asian. So
Yeah.
he likes him more in New York. So like, I'm like, that Jimmy, like in the future, this guy can do London, cause this guy's always up for London. Yo, so it's gonna be sick. Yeah. Let us know though in the comments if we should do Asian session. That's like, you get a lot more views too, because everyone's gonna be up at that time.
That's proper.
So like, I don't know, that's like what time's that? You start like, I don't know, 6 to like 9 or 6 to 8 every day. It's pretty soft.
Mhm.
Cause then like, the thing about streaming is that when you stream, you actually have more discipline, because you're
Yeah.
doing it for everyone else too, and you don't want to
Yeah.
get. It helps. Gold coming back down here? What are you guys doing here?
Yeah.
What is gold doing here? 30-minute. So like, look, 30-minute close bullish here, right? So now if this candle breaks the low of the 30-minute candle, that's when you can say we're gonna come down, because earlier on this candle we had no confirmation. Like, on the 30-minute we had no confirmation of sell yet, right? But now we kind of have some type of information that we have this is a support. So once price breaks below this support, we'll eventually come down further, right? Because the last candle we came down here and came back up. So once this candle breaks the low of that, we should be good to come down here on gold. Like, that 1 hour is a good enough confirmation. It's just that now you have more confirmation. So maybe like if you entered it on a 1 hour before, you can probably add another position once price gets and breaks the low here, come down, right? Your target be like right here, 96.1 or 96, right? Over on the hourly time frame, we're entering the second half of the hourly candle, so I'm expecting a move here, and you can see how it lines up with the 30-minute right now. Once we break this low, we should be good. Oh, come down here.
Oh.
Wait, you guys hear everyone else talking?
Hear what?
No, hold on, wait. I'm trying to see it. Does stream hear you guys? That's why I'm talking to myself. Oh yeah, I hear you. I'm tripping. I was like, just stream here. Bless you, bless you.
Thank you.
Coronavirus?
Coronavirus? Yeah, actually, I closed most of my DJ once I got to that resistance.
Oh yeah, okay, tap that, yeah.
Yeah.
I should cop the magic keys.
Oh, GJ gold coming down here, guys. 30-minute broke the
Yeah.
low here. Boom.
Yes, sir.
We're coming
Yes,
straight
sir,
down in
Don.
here. Ooh, nice, 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 nice.
Yes, sir, Don.
See, look, now you have no traffic here. Look at that move. We're probably gonna get a mirror of that to the right side, and this is where you'll probably move stops to break even because we're filling this wick. And when we fill the wick, we're probably at support, so that's where you probably move stops to break even. And then, you know, now you have this. For traffic move, you're gonna have a runner all the way down to here. Slow. Because the same thing's gonna happen here, we're gonna come down with no traffic to the right side. And what more could you ask for?
Greedy people ask more.
Bro, what's this weather?
That's what I'm saying. Like, I woke up.
Bro, it was
I
like
sent Don
30,
the
it was like
pictures.
30 degrees last week, bro.
Yeah. Next.
Bro, I'm
Come
telling
on
you,
now.
Doing some weird ass snow rain
Bro.
shit right now.
Mother Nature is punishing us
For what?
for enslaving animals.
What?
Eating animals.
Bro, that's the whole like purpose of Mother Nature, no?
To punish humans?
To eat other like isn't that what like nature is?
To feed us?
Not like animals just eating other animals. It's like that's how it be, you know?
I mean, yeah, we're on top of the food chain.
Yeah.
I mean, what else we're gonna eat? Like plants? Hell no.
Yeah, what the fuck?
Bro, they be having like veggie
perfect.
patties and stuff at like burger joints now.
You know, trades called here. Gold sells. Perfect. So stops at break even right now, right, for gold. So that was about what time is there? 1 hour kind of open up here. So that was like what's 1700. So 1700.
Mm-hmm.
Perfect. I know Locke got in. He kept asking me about this.
Yeah.
Sure, you got in. It's like a 17 pip secured on this trade. Trades called. Gold sells plus 17 pips, and now we have a runner. Perfect. You have no excuse not to move stocks to break even, and you have no excuse not to take partials. Well, that can be your excuse. You don't have to close partials. It just depends on you. But stops to break even is 100%. All you gotta do, you know. Cause look, we're entering a minor resistance here to the left, support. Right here. So if you draw us across, that's where it lines up with this, right there. And this is how you
yeah,
just.
DJ hit the stop.
But you got out, no?
It wasn't that clean of a trade. Now that I look at it.
Yeah. Yeah, it wasn't as clean, but like you made something out of it, no?
Yeah. At least I managed my risk for this.
Wait, you made profit on it?
Oh no.
Oh no, I did.
I only lost like yeah, I don't even know what that is, 0.001% or something.
If you guys enjoyed the gold breakdown, the GG breakdown, leave a like on the stream. You know, I had like 2 hours of sleep, but I'm still 3 hours of sleep, but I'm still on point today. Come on, man. 85 accuracy in the streams.
What a warrior. Man had man's only like 3 hours of sleep.
Yeah, I slept at like 2 or 3.
Alright, I'm gonna go make some coffee.
Where's Jimmy at?
Of course, he's not awake.
Sleeping, bro.
Damn.
Yeah.
He ate off that Asian last night.
Him? I don't know. I guess he's just. I think he's there for London. That's my conspiracy.
Yeah, he's up for London.
He died there for
So
London.
automatic,
He texted me at 4:30. He on the stream on
Yeah.
a chat. And he's like, "Wake
Wake
that
up.
up." He was like, "Wake up!" And then I'm like, "Okay, cool, I'm up."
Bro.
And then
4:30. This guy's trying to catch fucking pre-nigger.
yeah, I don't know. Because he has our time zone, no? Like Eastern. I swear
Yeah.
it's Eastern. Yeah. So Atlanta, like, I don't know. Maybe he just likes London because volatility. Yeah, lock FX. Honestly, bro, I used to make coffee and bring it to my room and just drink it and just while trading. But now I just drink it before the stream starts. Like I just chug it down and I'm up for the day. Like
I never drank coffee.
Cause are you supposed to like take your time with coffee or you just chug it down? It was just
I
like
don't think it matters.
yeah, it's the same shit.
Personal preference.
Just make sure it's not fucking like boiling hot when you're chugging it there.
Nah, I put ice in it, cool it down, and just chug it. It's just
You
like
put ice in like the hot coffee.
sometimes. Yo, you ever had Vietnamese iced coffee? Come on now.
Nah, I
Yo.
wanna try though. I've like,
Oh, you seen it?
yeah, I've seen it.
Yo, this
I see people say it's bomb.
so good, bro. I
Can
can
you
make.
put like condensed milk in it?
Yeah, yeah.
Condensed milk, yeah.
But you need this. This is how I make my coffee. Like you need this. Look at this. Holy shit.
Need what?
Like this thing right here. This coffee.
Oh, some coffee maker shit?
Yeah. It's just you put like your coffee beans, whatever the grains, and then you put hot water and it drips down. Like it drips down like this, and then once it drips down, you put in like just put in ice after, and then it comes up like this, and it's pretty good. It's better than your normal. It's better than your normal Starbucks coffee, iced coffee. It's just sweet.
Yeah, I think TJ will come down here to 131.965.
Oh, 15-minute close bearish. Oh yeah, 15-minute broke the low here.
Broke the low.
Yeah. Oh, let me invite Jalen in this call. Yo, Q-san, you know Jalen? I don't think you know Jalen.
Nah.
Yeah, and Locke knows him for sure. But he has a shit mic. I hope he doesn't have. I'm gonna boot him if he has a bad mic. Like he's always moving or something. Like I don't know why his mic's so bad. Oh, your gold came down here. Nice. Perfect. Perfect. All right, you guys could what do things say? You guys can fasten your seatbelts. We're now approaching our destination.
What's with GJ having no wicks, bro?
I don't know.
So many candles.
Yo, you remember what thing said? Raja, he's like, we're now approaching our destination. You can now fasten your seatbelts. On the
What?
stream. Like I don't know if you heard it. Like he hit TP and then he just said like something like that. Why does this guy Sam keep leaving the call? What? something's up. Let me move this. Yo, sound the hell. What's wrong with your phone, bro?
I don't know, bro. It's just kicking me out.
Not me. Perfect. Take a picture of this. Post on IG. I'm posting on the stream first. I think the green looks more attractive here. Green. Green looks way more. Pink. Yo, Kisan, you have a curved monitor or you have a regular monitor?
It's just a regular monitor, but like it swings like all ways. It's like it goes landscape.
Oh,
and,
like
portrait.
it can rotate?
Yeah.
30-30 shot down. Yeah, it came down to fill this range. Yes. Yeah, there's pretty bearish. Like it's pretty like daily is bullish. So until we break like this low right here, I can say that once we break this low, we're probably gonna come down to here, right? But let's see. Cause we don't know how low it's gonna go. This daily candle, we don't know. But off of like the smaller time frame, yes, it looks pretty bearish. The FAR looks like it's gonna come down further, but we're just out of support right now, so we'll see what happens here. Approaching the support. This is our critical area. Yeah, how come people like the US30 so much though? Like, I don't know why I liked it so much before, but like I don't know. Like, is it the same for everyone? Just because it moves fast and just pays you so much?
I don't know.
Like I don't know. Like,
Yeah.
is that the reason why?
People think that people think that people think that because they're popping 0.01 that it's like more money or something somehow.
Yeah, yeah.
It's like, bro.
It's just
like,
indices. Yeah.
Use your brain.
I don't know. I think it's just I don't know. Like, I liked it. I still like it. I just don't trade it. I still watch it. It's cool. Like I worked with it my whole trading career. So like it's not new to
I
me.
think that's just way less predictable.
And I actually no, it moves pretty decent. Like I like the way it moves. It's just it's a lot. It pays you a lot and it takes a lot off. I just like nah, I'm just gonna drop it. I'm just gonna focus on GJ and gold, and yeah, it's been working fine. Like nowadays, I just focus on like one pair. I don't even focus on more than that. Ooh, I'm so tired, man. Oh, there's an early bird gets the worm sticker on Instagram. Let me use this. If you guys haven't yet, please follow up the IG, Instagram. Let's reach 300 followers. Yeah, we're 5 followers away, so see if we can get there by this week. You seen Raja post those he posted those Instagram things? People buying fake followers.
On FTMO.
Oh yeah, I saw that.
Yeah. Bro, why? Like, why do people buy fake followers for?
And then they were unfollowing the fake
Yeah.
followers.
Like, why? What's the point?
Makes no sense.
It's just so, like, I don't know. I guess it's like you buy fake followers, so it looks like you have followers, so then more people follow you. I mean, I guess that might work, but
Yeah, probably more people would trust you or something.
yeah. But why? 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 Gold is currently came back up, so if you did not push off the break even or close partials, this is what would have happened to you. And now you feel like a total what's the word? What is it? You feel like a total jerk. Like now you're just like, fuck, I should have took profits, right? What happens? 40 pips, you're like what? 40 pips in profit, like 30 pips in profit, 25 pips, and then it was going good, and then all of a sudden you have a big move back up to hit your entry, and now you're like, shit, I should have secured profits. So now you're probably gonna chase this trade because you just lost money by not closing profits down here. This is why I stick to my rule is usually just take 10 pips and leave a runner, and I do it every time because that's my way of building my account and growing my account. 10 pips and dip. Sure, sometimes I close 10 pips on the dot. You don't have to have a runner, you know, but if something looks very achievable, then that's when you can have a runner. You can try it out. And when you have a runner, you don't have to close 50%. You can close like 85% or 90%, you know. Have a low, small amount running. Yo, Jalen, are you gonna talk? What up?
Yo, I was looking for my headphones.
Oh, yeah. This guy got I got the terrible audio. Wait, you have headphones on right? You have headphones on right now?
You said what?
You found your headphones?
Nah, I'm on my phone.
Oh. You took any trades today?
You said what?
You took any trades today?
Yeah, I was in GU and GJ sales.
Perfect. When we're up here.
Yeah, I caught them around. I
Went there.
entered GA, not GA. I entered GJ at like 133.038. So caught it right at the top.
Oh, up
This
there.
morning.
You're still
Yeah.
holding it?
Nah, I closed.
Not bad. Very good. How many pips? Like
100.
yeah. Jimmy caught up there and lock, I think. I wasn't even like on during Asian. I don't know what the hell happened. Like I think during Asian, like I think last night I bought up here. Yeah, Sam, you caught the buy here yesterday or no? During Asian?
No, I didn't catch it.
Yeah, I was looking back, I'm like shit. If I didn't,
Yeah, it was nice though.
I fell asleep. Yeah, I was taking a nap and then this was clean because you know, off of this alone, where is it? Looking at this is like cleaner. It's a clean 10-pip move from here to like here, you know, stops below wherever. Clean.
Yeah, I was in what? I was in GU from 1.23730.
GU?
Yeah.
Oh shit, I didn't check GU. Damn, GU moved past couple hours there. Yeah. I think Mondays are my favorite days to trade, I don't know why. Mondays move so nicely, you know?
And then I was in gold sales from 1708. And I would have had my stop loss above the 4 hour candle, which was at 1711
Hmm?
when I first got in. But I didn't put my stop loss. It would have wicked it, but I never actually put the stop loss because I figured it was gonna do that.
Yeah, yo, I can't enter a trade without stop loss.
Only because I was monitoring it.
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, you can do that. You can do that too. But it's just sometimes though, like I did it once, like it's weird. It's like it's random, but like this one time I had no stop loss and I was monitoring it because I was watching it. I was trying to close it manually, and then just huge spike out of nowhere, just boom. I'm like, what the fuck? A lot.
Yeah, and that's exactly what it did. It spiked it. I was like, okay, it's a good thing I didn't put my stop loss because I feel like it had a gap to fill.
I'm looking at any pairs right now.
GCAD.
Oh, GCAD. GCAD. What do you got here?
Let's
Oh,
go fake out.
yes.
I mean
Yeah.
AU.
Of course you are. EU too?
No, just AU right now.
Yeah. GCAD looks kind of cool. Broke the highs here, come up to Phil's range. So this and ooh. You got some resistance here. What happens? I think my day is done though.
Kind of tricky.
Yeah. Has like so much resistance there. AU, let me check that pair out. AUDU, I hate this pair. Like I hate this pair. I don't know why. I hate this pair, bro. Dollar with the Australian dollar is I hate this. Like my least favorite pair other than Euro USD.
Spurs pretty low, so I just got it.
Wait, so does it move? How many pips does this move? I haven't traded this since like my early days. 40 pips, 50 pips. AJ used to be one of my pairs though. I used to love AJ, and then
Yeah, I'm at like 15 pips in profit right now.
yeah, this is like for sure coming down. Yeah. Yeah, you got like down here, I'm guessing. Wick. You have a clear traffic move here to the left. So like the same thing here. Then right here you run into some trouble here. A good TP area. Pretty good.
Yeah, that's when I had to just manage the trade. See what
Damn,
happens.
GG's coming down.
GJ. Oh, we have like 2 minutes left in
That's
this
a
candle.
nice sell on the break of the 15-minute low.
Oh yeah, yeah,
Fuck yeah.
yeah. This 15-minute low right here. No drawdown at all. Like maybe a little bit, but 1 pip. So yeah, came down to Phil's range. Where we're gonna go now? Who knows? See. We're at the support. Barely. Yeah, 1 hour support here. Broke that. We're probably gonna looking like we're gonna come down to this support down here now. Looking at GJ. Let's see how the daily looks. 4 hour, yeah, 4 hours coming down there. Daily, they can go anywhere. We don't know how full daily count's gonna go, but 1 hour looks like it's gonna come down to here though. That's a clean move to the left. So if you guys look at this, it's pretty clean. So if you don't break this high, you're gonna get in right there, and target is gonna be right here.
It looked like it closed below right now.
Yeah, close below. I think if you once you break this low right here, we should be good. This 1 hour low.
Damn, look at GCAD.
What happened?
Shot straight down.
Wasn't Jalen? Oh no, you're not in it. Yeah. 1 hour count just opened up in a minute. Alright, let's see what GJ does. So GJ, for us to go down on GJ, we'll need to break the previous candle low right here. Come down. This candle opened up with no bottom wick, So this could be just a pullback to come down. So price has to respect this high if it wants to come down, right? We don't know where this candle's gonna go, right? So that's why you have sell stops below here. This is where you rather have than just enter right now, because you don't know how high it's gonna go. It can come up to here, you know, and it can even break it. Who knows? But
Look how
until
DJ's been forming on the 30-minute. Just
no wicks,
it'll make a bullish candle, and then
Yeah.
it'll break the low. of
every
that, and it'll come
bullish
down.
candle break is a sell straight up.
Yeah.
Yeah, I love those entries. So let's see if this is a resistance. If it comes back down, it has to break this low. So we're gonna come down, look to the left, and fill this range. This is the move you're looking for right now on GJ. But we have to wait to see how flips. Can't answer right now. Your lock, you got a gold or not? I'm still making coffee. Gold made a move here. Oh, Jimmy, the guy, the man,
What's
the
good?
myth.
My bad, bro. I had to drive my grandma to a freaking doctor's appointment, bro. I fell asleep right after.
Lost. You caught any trades today?
I caught 2 GJ cells.
Oh, perfect. The one this morning, right? At 6 a.m.
No, at 4:30.
Oh. Yeah, right here. Nice. Yeah. Yeah, I caught the one at 6 a.m. This candle. I'm guessing you caught it from up here, yeah.
Dang,
I wasn't even
shit.
awake for this. I caught it down here, yeah. I caught the third pip move and then that's it. Everyone caught the same trade, see?
Dang, I should have held that bit. But no, I was like, I took one before. The second one, I got stopped out. And I'm like, nah, bro, I'm gonna go back in. Cause I still see it selling. Cause I knew I stopped it entry too early. So I got stopped out with $1.21. I'm like, fuck that shit. Yeah, went back in, made $14.89.
You done for a day?
Yeah,
Yeah.
7%.
Yeah, I took one trade. GJ, I made I think 4.5%. 7% is pretty solid, bro.
Yeah, I made 7%.
That's perfect. I think the simulation yesterday. First trade of the week, 7%.
Wait, did you place your sales stops for DJ?
Me?
Mm-hmm.
No. I'm not trading. I'm done for a day. But yeah.
What's for Jalen?
It's good.
I don't know what the hell just happened. My bad. Yeah, you guys hear me?
Yeah.
Bro, I lost like connection or something. Alright. Is my audio good? My
Yeah.
Damn. Time is it? 8 o'clock? Man, it feels so weird. Like the day feels so long when you just enter a trade at like 6 in the morning, and that's like their only trade for a day. And then like I don't know, you feel tempted to take more trades because you're just sitting here, just watching the charts for like another 2 hours. But I'd rather do that than just I'd rather end my day early. It feels good though. Come up to charts at 6 a.m. Finishing your day at 6:30. Like, what more can you ask for? 30 minutes of work. GJ remember broke this low, right? So GJ, if it breaks this high here, we're probably gonna come up. If it breaks this high. If it respects this, it's that resistance, right? So if it bounces off this resistance and it flips, then we'll have to break this low to come down. See what I mean? You see what I mean though? Streamers, you never know how high this candle's gonna go. So that's why sell stuff would have been preferred. Because once it breaks the low, that's when you can kind of say, oh, that's part of the high, and that's the low. We're breaking the low, so we should come down. But it didn't break the low, so we never know how high it's gonna go. We never know how far this pullback's gonna go. Sometimes there's no pullback. Sometimes there is, but you gotta play the game safe every time. Yo, Jimmy. Yo, we're gonna do Asian streams.
Oh, bro.
Sam's gonna run it like soon,
Oh.
whenever he's ready. He's like, he's down though, so.
Not ready yet, bro.
Yeah, whenever you're ready, but we're gonna run that shit soon.
Okay.
Cause yo, we're always on London, like we're always on Asian for like at least an hour or two, so might as well just stream it. And we always like profitable during Asian too. Like we haven't like, we're pretty
Like
consistent.
if we have a real good New York, then we're gonna.
Nah, we're doing Asian every day.
Brother.
Cause like yo, I like Asian. I actually like it.
It's nice, so nice.
Finish my day at 9 a.m. You know, come back on the charts at
I swear it's always
7.
good on
Yeah.
on Sundays.
Yeah, the last 2 Sundays have been really. I missed the last 2 Sundays though.
Last 3.
Yeah, last 3. Like Fridays are good though. Except for this Friday. But Fridays have been pretty good too.
For what? For 8? For what?
Nah, for New
No,
York.
for New York?
Yeah. But you're not awake, so it doesn't even.
Yeah, I'm never awake.
Hope everyone's having a good Monday. Hope everyone's having a profitable Monday. Why is this erased? Man, I got type again. Trade. So, what are different times for sessions? Well, it's Asian, London, and New York. Times are Eastern. My Eastern times are Asian starts at during the summer. It starts at spring summer. It starts at 8 a.m. 8 p.m. That's when Asian opens, and then London opens at 3 a.m. and New York opens at 8 a.m. So those are the times. I think you should know that though. You are trading. It's very important. It may not seem important, but it's actually very important. It's like one of the main things that comes with my strategy, whatever you call it. Trade. Oh.
Yeah, GG's kind of tripping right now.
Oh.
Just a little fake out, I guess.
So gold sells called for 17 pips, got stopped out at 17. I break even. So 17 pips. For what pair? Wait, what you say?
TJ.
Let me check.
I don't know, just kind of work markets are kind of like pairs are kind of weird right now. Clean and smooth. Fuck, I just wish I woke up earlier, bro. Clean and smooth. So GJ
Yeah,
says,
earlier
wake
was
up.
very clean. Yeah, GJ, once he breaks his high, probably gonna come back up. Now you can still enter a buy if he breaks his high, the 4 hour high, you know, and the 1 hour high. For your stops.
Yeah, stops are just too big though.
40 pip stop. This is a 40 pip move. Holy shit. Yeah, stops are way too big for what you're trying to gain. Not worth it. Not worth it. But overall, daily is still bullish, right? The 4 hour is bearish, but the daily is still bullish. We don't know how far it's going. The count hasn't closed yet. So I think someone in VIP asked me last night, where's GG gonna go? I mentioned I'll wait for GG daily counter to close bullish, because if the daily counter closes bullish here, it's gonna be looked at as a fake out. Because now we have this coming back in the range, right? We have this. So we're gonna need to counter come up like this to say that we're gonna come back up. Because the weekly is still bearish. The weekly hasn't broken the high yet. The weekly high is up here. So once you break that high, this is when we're gonna come up further. So that's how all time frames just correlate with each other. But yeah, as of right now, obviously GJ looks on a 4 hour looks more bearish than bullish. Can you do GJ analysis, please? UJ, I don't really look. Send me a chart, please, sir. Florida bike life. Yeah, send me a chart. Let's see. Can you change the background to? Let's see. Can I change the background? Change up my background. Oh, that's super dark. No, I don't like that. I have like this. That's super dark. Where's the grid at? I don't like grid. Why is there a grid here? Appearance, grids, none. Oh, nope. No grids there. Look nicer? That's so dark, man. That's like, it's too dark. This is nice. Looks, yeah. What do you guys think? Should I make it pitch black or just this color?
Nah, the other way.
Yeah, this looks too dark, bro. It looks like that's weird. Can't do that. I like these candles though. These candles are so bright and just so vibrant. Like I can see it clearly. Like my old candles, like it was like blue and white. Then it wasn't as clear to me. It's like the default ones, much better. Oh damn.
Damn. What made gold turn like that?
Oh shit. Did thing? Oh, they mentioned. Oh, come. Hope everyone's having a profitable day today. Time we're done for a day? Or nah?
No, I'm gonna stay on for another hour or so.
Oh, yeah, there's bear
I'm
time
still
left.
winning you.
Oh, you're in profit. You're deep in profit still. You can just chill it for the rest of
Nah, a little bit in profit.
Oh. Weren't you like 50 pips in profit?
Nah, I had to retrace.
Oh. As long as you don't hit, as long as you secure some profits, man, for 50 pips.
No, not 50 pips. I was like 15 pips in profit.
Oh, they said 50 pips. I was like,
The whole move itself is probably like 50 pips.
yeah, it was like, yeah, I seen it was a pretty big move.
But yeah, I didn't catch the whole thing.
Yeah. GG 30-minute candle says gonna come to fill area. Got 10 minutes left. Is this GG? If you look at the, I think, can you see on my screen? Yeah, if you look at the top left, you'll see the
So
pairs.
whose mic is that?
Yeah, whose mic is that? Oh, that's Jimmy, I think.
You know
Jimmy,
what?
bro, stop doing jumping jacks in your crib.
Jumping jacks. Yeah, if you look at the top left of my screen, you'll see the pairs right here. GJ, gold, whatever I'm looking at. Or look at right here, I'm having GJ on my chart. Just look at the price, you can just tell it's GJ. Or right here, details, Jimmy, you done for a day?
I might go for one more trade.
Are you done for the day, dog?
Hell yeah, I'm done for a day.
I'm done for the day.
I've been watching for the past 2 hours.
Like 6 trades in.
Yeah, you took like 7 trades today, bro. Holy shit. That's how many trades I took last week in 1 week.
Them TPs hit a lot or none?
Yeah, he profited on like every trade, I think. I don't think he took.
Yeah, I did. I haven't lost.
My boy.
My boy got into that GJ cell.
Yeah.
Honestly,
You
it's our
had
preference.
5 fight entry, boy.
Huh?
You had that real good entry. I'm like, damn.
The top entry, yeah.
Oh, Jalen, what happened to Bitcoin? Did it go up?
Nah,
it went up. No, look at Bitcoin. Went up.
nah, it did go up.
Yeah, it go up. Yeah.
She's tripping.
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, like this one bullish counter right here. We never broke the low here.
Oh
Well,
yeah.
Let me talk about the
I should,
analysis
I
again.
should definitely go in the chat and talk my shit.
Nah, chill. That'll be.
Oh, the happens today, right? Or tomorrow?
What happened?
The Bitcoin halving thing happens tomorrow.
Yeah.
Yeah.
TU. Oh, I at 4. Open your jelly, don't start.
Oh no, not again.
Oh, Lock, remember earlier in the stream at
Who's
6
that?
a.m. we talked about oil here? And
Oh,
look
yeah,
what
yeah,
happened
I
with
was in it
oil.
with you.
Uh-huh. Came right up.
Stop.
Come on, man. We don't miss on this stream.
Come
Now,
on,
if you look at
man.
oil, we're breaking these highs over here. So, like, where's the next target? Like I mentioned earlier, we're going to come up to 25 something, 26 area.
25.80.
Yeah,
something,
25.80.
right?
We tapped
Over
it.
TP.
So now, if you look at oil, where's it going to go? 27. That's the next target. Right? Just, if you enter now, where your stop's going to be? Where's your TP? Where's your stop?
Nowhere.
Nowhere. Like, it'll be too deep of a stop.
Come on, man.
Come on, man. We do this every day.
I get 200 occasion.
What? Nav dropped the deluxe album.
I'm dead. I'm not gonna lie. Pretty good.
What else we got here? Yeah, GJ is. Probably first. Once you break 132, 260, you should be gone up to 132, 577.
Damn.
Yo, Jimmy, I can hear how tired you are.
Yeah.
Yeah, bro.
So, what time you sleep?
I woke up at 4:30.
For what?
So what time you sleep though?
Oh, I slept at like right after I got my grandma house. So that was at 7:30.
No, like before, like last night. Like,
Oh, last night I slept at like 10.
I feel like you're fine. No, 6 hours of sleep, you're good.
Good.
You're set for the day. Like I had like 3 hours of sleep.
Sheesh.
I don't know. I need to get back on my 11 o'clock sleeping schedule, bro. I can't do this. Super tired.
That'll never happen.
Nah, I don't know. It's just I don't know what happened, bro. I took 1 day of just sleeping, like staying up late. I stayed up late till like maybe 12 o'clock for 1 day, and I never went back to 11 p.m. sleeping schedule again. Now it's all fucked. I don't know, man. Hard. It took me so long to get there too. It took me like a good month to get to 11 p.m. sleeping schedule.
Bro, just drink some Z-Quil, bro.
Bro, I don't have it.
Take a sleep.
Nah, I don't have any of that. This is a good day. Like the market's actually moving pretty solid this morning. You know, at like 6 a.m., 7 a.m.
perfect day to pull out the Ichimoku.
To what?
That's Locke's thing.
Makes sense. Makes sense.
Nah, Jillian doesn't. You still use that, Jillian? I swear you don't.
I don't use it.
Yeah, you just use race action. Locke uses it though, right, Locke? Ichimoku clouds. I swear you still uses that.
What?
Honestly, yo, it works. I'm not gonna lie. It
What
like
works?
whenever the lightning span breaks, it goes. Like I never seen a failure in that before in my life. Ichimoku clouds. Ichimoku.
Come on, man. People are roasting me for using it. Come on.
No one's roasting. I'm just saying like
Bro, just looking at it. Oh my
Looks
god.
complicated,
Such a
right?
freaking.
it's not. It's actually very simple.
This is actually one of the most simplest methods, more than a lot of things.
Alright, I'm
People
gonna
try
watch a video on it later.
Nah. You don't need
Like
no
the
more.
last
You don't need no
one.
more. No. The moment you look at it, you'll need to like. You're gonna forget everything else you just
like
learned.
so much freaking lines and
Yeah, it looks a lot, but it's actually not bad.
I just understand the lagging span. You'd be alright.
I get 200 occasions. Damn. Hell no. Let me turn this shit off before my head hurts, man.
Honestly, yo, whenever like someone sends me a chart that's just like a bunch of fibs, a bunch of Elliott waves, and just there's so much shit on the chart. Like I have to
Elliott waves.
like I
bro,
have to like
How do you trade that shit?
I
dude?
just feel like I have to like go over a whole 2 hour just video of just me trading again. It messes my brain up, bro.
Mhm.
Gee.
So much shit to look at.
When someone tried like explain the Elliott wave to me,
So A B
It's
C
like,
equals
bro.
D. That's it.
That's math, bro.
You know, like Elliott wave, A is right here, B is right here, C right here, D is right here, D's up to down here. Perfect.
Honestly, man, just throw in a harmonic scanner too. Why not?
fuck it.
Boys.
Everyone
Dang, that
has.
boy Paul been going in lately.
Wait, Stan put you on Paul.
Yeah. Then my boy, he be watching Paul and Wicks. Damn, bro. Yesterday he caught the most cleanest GJ, but I'm like, damn.
If someone's
okay.
like, so nervous, like, Don, I'm not gonna lie, I prefer watching this stream more than Wix on live stream.
What?
Yeah. Oh shit, GJ here. 30-minute close, bullish, back in the range. So where?
Yeah, if 15 breaks the high, supply.
I think if the next candle breaks the high, we should be good to go. This right here should be good to go.
Very good, very good.
Yeah, once you break this high, you can come up. I don't know, maybe. I just saw some traffic here, the left, and then entry here. Cause this is also what the 30-minute high too. Let's see, this is 132.195. 132, yeah, 230. We should be good. Are you looking for a sell? Are you looking for a sell? I'm not looking for anything. I'm done for a day. I told you.
Looking to play some Animal Crossing.
I'm looking forward to going back to bed. You know. Yeah. If you have any like questions about your charts or anything, just feel free to send a chart. I'll look at it. I'll look at that. I'll look at your chart. But right now I'm just like, you know, looking at just chart move, but that's it. I'm not really looking for anything in particular.
Does it look like Bitcoin has no type of traffic on its way up right now?
Yeah.
I feel like it wants to just fly.
Let's see. Yeah, like forward looks like it's not. I don't know. You have some traffic here though. This is some traffic. This area. So But yeah, once you break this area, you can probably come up to 9.5, 300, right? Got some traffic here though. That's resistance on the daily. Look at the daily resistance. You know, resistance. You know, resistance. 4 hour has made that resistance as well, right here, right here, right here. So might be a minor one. This kind of looks clean though. Like I know what you mean. This kind of looks clean, but you just gotta keep in mind there's some traffic behind this candle right here. That will affect it. But if you're gonna buy, man, you gotta sit back, stop the break even, let this shit run. You're good. Yeah, man, I don't trade this fair.
I've been in buy since about 82. Let me see, 82.50.
Well,
I
right,
had one at 80.
1,000 pips.
One at
No
81.
shit. 1,000 pips.
Yeah.
1,000 pips. I remember I used to trade on Bitcoin and US30 all day. Everything that moved fast, I'll be on it. US30, gold, Bitcoin, I'll be on it. Oil, I'll be on it.
But now everything slowed down.
Yeah. Nah, it's still, the US30 is still the same as last year. I think it picked up, to be honest. I was trading it like in back March, last year in March, when it was ranging. Like this is what I traded. I traded like pretty much just this part of the. This is what I traded. This is my trading career. From. Yo, it's Lock. I'm not sure he remembers. Yo, Lock, remember this day? It was like June of 2019 when the tariff started, and that's when you started made that rise. Not sure you remember. Everyone's like, "Oh, it's gonna sell, it's gonna sell." Ever since then, it just took off, up. Look at this. This is why I traded. I was in the consolidation for like a couple months here, and then, you know, when I stopped trading it, it actually came down, took all this out. Yeah, it's moving a lot faster than when I started. Whew. Tired. If you guys are enjoying the stream, leave a like. Leave a like for everything to be on point today. Let's see, we got news. We got CPI tomorrow, so there's something there. Today we got nothing. Yeah, we got rate cuts for NZD pairs. That's it though. Any news today? See what we got.
GDP on Wednesday for GDP.
Oh, Saudi Arabia, they cut oil? No. I don't know what this is. I have no clue.
Bless you, bro.
Thanks, bro.
Oh, I think this is oil, right? Is it oil? Because 30 minutes ago this happened, and oil came up 30 minutes ago, so I'm guessing this is oil. I have to Google it. Whenever people ask me, yo, how do you think this will affect this? I just Google it, man. I just Google it. I don't know what this means. Like, if you were to ask me, I have no idea what this means. I would just Google it and give you an answer. I'm not really, I don't know all the answers. GJ didn't break the high, you know, so looking like it, sell is might still come down here. Let's see. It didn't break the high, you know, it didn't break the low yet, so anything can happen here. It's gonna go one way or the other. It breaks this high, goes up, breaks this way, goes down. But if you enter a sell, your stock's gonna be a lot bigger than you know, this is a 18 pip gain, your stock's gonna be like a 4 pip, so it's not worth it. Yo, what was the most trades you guys entered in a day?
You want a real answer?
Like 32 or some shit? Yeah, I want a real answer.
I enter like 20 trades one day. That feels crazy.
Like recently or not?
Nah, it's like wow.
Holy shit, that's like 3 weeks of trades, bro.
Bruh.
In a day.
When I first started in IMO, I didn't know about the trading sessions, so I was just trading all day.
Yeah, same, bro. I used to watch it. I used to watch the charts from 8 a.m. to 9 p.m.
Yeah, exactly.
Shit. Good times. Locke knows this,
Maybe like 35, 40.
but you do that today still, so.
That's not true. But that's when that was when I traded Jer 30.
Which is like what, 2 days ago?
That was like a month ago now.
Yeah. I don't know. It just depends on if that's your comfort level. Like if whoever has a comfort level of 30 trades per day, then that's your comfort level. No one can tell you anything. Yes. China Russia oil move. Are we talking about this? Yeah. I have no idea what this is. I'll have to look upon it, but guess that's what moved oil here. At least like the technical analysis is correct. You know, we analyzed this from a technical aspect without any fundamental news involved, and we talked about buys from up here earlier on the stream, and it came up. So sometimes like the technicals line up with the fundamentals. Majority of the time they do. They line up. Cause that was unexpected news. That wasn't no planned. So. And oh, everyone trade day. Oh, that's a raffle date. Oh, US30 came down here. See how clean US30 looks compared to, like, you know, US30 is always like so clean. Super clean. So where's US30 gonna go now? Well, we're probably gonna come down to this support right here. We're reaching that support right now. Maybe here. The support, and if you break this, we're gonna come down here, but you got cells on GJ? Isn't that what you're talking about? Oh. The 15-minute looked like
I
has
was
something.
looking at buys.
Yeah, once you buy stop there. Yeah.
It's
The
so
1 hour
nice,
the 1
though.
hour is about to flip. We're entering the second half the last quarter of the hourly, so last 30 minutes, because this had no bond wick, so maybe like this is a part of pullback to go down the equator wick. I don't think you can have a 15 minutes about to close there. What's your stop gonna be? Fast stop. I have a feeling everyone's gonna start trading J30 now, as like US30. Like, you know how US30 made like everyone, it was like a talk of the year. Everyone's just trading it. Everyone's gonna hop on J30 now, because the moment one trader starts talking about it, and it just spreads and spreads as a community, and everyone thinks it's like
It's the new hot thing.
it's the new hot thing, and everyone just hops on it. So everyone's probably gonna trade J30 now. Guarantee you.
If you tell that to Todd, he gonna get pissed off.
Nah, Taj, I knew Taj gonna trade it. He's been trading it. But like talking about like
Because
this,
we were the first people to start talking about it. And then once we started talking about it, like in the chat, or some people traded it, but they never said anything about it.
cause you know how it spreads? It spreads
You
because
said
you know how it spreads? It spreads because of IMO groups. Like, for example, US30. These IMO people are just trading it. They're just talking about this US30 all day, catching pips, you know? And then that's how it just blew. That's how everyone started trading it. I think that's how it started. Same with like oil, you know? Just recently, everyone started trading oil all of a sudden. Especially with that huge day. The huge crash.
Damn, US 30. I mean, sure 30 is falling though.
Yeah.
Yep.
Mink, mink, mink.
And what makes it so popular is you can trade it with a really small account, like $70.
Yeah, you can. It's not like as crazy as US30.
US 30.
So it's like gold, no? Is it, or like, is it a little easier, or a little lower than gold?
Yeah.
I don't know.
Nah.
I don't know. I really don't know what to really compare it to. Like I compare it to like Nas.
Nas? Oh yeah, Nas.
With the way it moves. Yeah. Like okay, you can get into Nas 100 with a $70 account. The spreads are kind of like the same. It's still
$70 account? Yeah, $70 account. Yeah.
Yeah, it's the spreads are still the same. Still $1 a pip.
$1 a pip?
Yeah.
What lot though? Oh, 0.01?
Yeah, 0.01.
Oh yeah.
That's what.
Oh, that's like a 0.10 then. You think we're going to get a banker's close opportunity in GPUSD? I have no idea what that means.
Huh?
A banker's close. I don't know, man. I don't know.
I don't even know.
Maybe send me a chart showing what you're seeing. If I look at GPUSD right now, I can just tell you that it's at support here, and we'll need a break of this support to go down. And you know, I have no idea what banker's close is.
People making terms up now.
No, I don't know. It's probably I don't know. It's probably something, but yeah,
It's just
GG's at some type of support. I don't trade like the banks. I don't believe in you can trade like the banks. It's just I don't know. I look at everything as just basic support and resistance. But send me a chart. Show me what you mean. Maybe I can learn something today.
Love that term, man.
Oh, is that Taj? Who's here? Oh no, that's Jalen. Yeah. Like what I could tell you on GU is the moment we just have support here. Oh, when the European markets close after a large move, the price retreats. Yeah. Oh, that's what you mean. I thought you meant like actually just like people just talk about like, oh, this is a bank level or this is an institution level right here. I thought it meant that. Yeah, that's different. Yeah, it's about to close at 11, so like it doesn't always like come back or retrace whatever though. Like it just depends. Like some days I see GJ closing at 11 and just continue to go up. It just depends on what the price tells you. It's probably different every day. But like I don't know, I can't predict the future. I can't tell you what's gonna happen at the bank close until we're actually there. If GG looks like a buy at 11 o'clock, then it's a buy, you know. If it looks like a sell, then it's a sell. But I can't really there's no point really just predicting the future. Cause the thing like in these streams, what you'll learn more of me is I like to just I don't like playing the guessing game. I'd rather trade something that I just know like I see that's gonna happen, right? Like, I don't like saying like, for example, like everyone's talking about, oh yeah, I'm gonna buy Bitcoin. It's a halve. It's not halve, and then you know it's gonna go up. Everyone's saying that, but people just it didn't happen yet. But people just they're putting a bet on buys. Or any other backup other than the fact that everyone's talking about how or like for example I don't know, it's just stuff like that. I just rather trade what I see. Another example is like when people are like, let's say if someone's enter a buy now for GJ and they want to put their TP like up here, right? And I look at like how are you gonna know that price is gonna break this resistance here and then this resistance here and then this resistance here? It has all these levels that has to break first before it reaches up here. So why not just TP here or like TP here, TP here? I trade what I see, and I see if price has a resistance here, so that's where my TP is. But you're not gonna really see me just predicting the future. What time is it? 8:51. Guys, I'm probably gonna head off here. You know, I've been watching the charts for like 2 hours, do none. My day is done here. It's done at 6, so hope you guys had a profitable day. Hope you guys enjoyed the stream. Leave a like. I'll catch you guys tomorrow during New York stream.